Now, just when you think you've got this stuff figured out, here comes an example where I didn't write a base down for you. There's nothing written there. One of the things about logs, and specifically the word log, when you see a log and they didn't write a base, the default value is definitely going to be 10 every single time. So if you see log and there's no base and it upsets you, feel free to put a little 10 down there. Now you might be thinking, why isn't the base, usually the default's 1, why wouldn't it be like something like 1? And if you think about what logs do, that would not make sense, because usually when we see a log, not usually, always when we see a log expression, we're trying to figure out what we'd raise this base to get the number that's over here. So if that base were 1, if the default were 1, why would that not make sense? You know, if you start raising 1 to a power, 1 to the 10th, 1 to the 20th, 1 to the 30th, it's never going to change. So for that reason, because we have 10 fingers, the base of just straight up log is 10. And so now this problem becomes a lot easier. We're just trying to figure out what power we would raise 10 to get to 1,000. And then, you just start multiplying 10 by itself till you land on 1,000. The answer is going to be 3. So the big walk away here is, if you see the word log and I didn't write a base, or the base isn't given, you should assume the base is 10. Feel free to write it. And if you have to write yourself a little equation like, 10 to the what equals 1,000, you can do that. Or just start multiplying 10 by itself and keep track. But the answer here is going to be 3, and that is the reason why.